Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create video using a TikTok template. And now, first, open the TikTok apps and then click plus icon at the bottom. In the bottom, click template. In here, you can choose the template that you want. I wanna choose maybe this one, and then click select photos. Now choose photos that you want. Okay, and now click OK at the bottom and waiting, please waiting. And this is the preview. And then click next for post the video. Click next. You just add this description in here and then click post in here. Finish. Pretty simple, right? So that's how you can create video using a TikTok template. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.